Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is a 3000 subscriber special where I'm gonna answer all your questions. And I really just wanna thank you for 3000 subscribers. It's really crazy. Never thought I'd get here so fast. And yeah, so let's just move on to the question because there's a lot of them. And yeah, I'll try and answer every one of them. Sorry if I can't because there's 236. I'll try my best. And I'm telling you guys, I can't answer any personal questions. I'm sorry. I'll answer questions about the game if you wanna know. Princess Real Lawyer fans, I did. Uh, eh, hey, are you Indian? Yes, I'm Indian. Hey, you inspired me today. I did 6 exams of Dynamic. Nice. Who's your inspiration in YouTube? 72 Brawl Stars. What inspired you for Dyna? Skizzy BS and Fresh. No, Skizzy BS. Can I have shout out? Yeah, sure. Shout out to H4 Gaming. Are you Indian? Yes. How did you learn to dribble with Dynamic? Well, Skizzy was actually he sent me a few clips of his, and I'm like, wow, what can I do? He had only 60 subscribers by the way at that time. He's like, yeah, you can just practice these with bots trapped. So I did, and here I am. I hope you will be in ASEAN race in the future. Hope so too, man. Remember when you're high. I will. Wait a minute, this is Azim's voice. Yep, that's me. Azim 64 or ROGI 64. Azim 64. Morsa Dyna, XD or XD, second one. Favorite brawler Dyna. Oh, so cute, thanks. Happy 3K, thank you. Which country? India. Which is your favorite brawler? Dynamite. There could be a gas meme on his increase of subs. Will you make a club? Yeah, guys, later, not right now though. When did you first represent Dyna? January. What country are you from? India. Favorite brawler after Dyna? Bull. Mortis. Okay, please remember me when you have over 100,000 subscribers. Sure. I just played against you second time ever. Oh my god. Yeah, nice. What gender? I'm male. And are you human? No, I'm not human. I'm from Jupiter. I'm a hacker. I'm here to destroy this planet. Nice voice. Thank you. I like Showdown actually. Wow, Chena commented. Why did you start YouTube? Well, I was kind of bored of doing the same old stuff, trophy pushing and playing different game modes. So I'm like, I want to do something new. So I found out there's something called Brawl Stars YouTube, and I decided to start my own. Do your parents know what your YouTube channel? Yes. And you're Indian. Yay. Okay. Indian RCM. Lol. Thanks. What's your least favorite brawler? Edgar, man. Edgar and Stu. They both never let you trick shot. They're the worst brawlers, and they're overbuffed. So Supercell, do something. Why so OP? Not that OP. When is face reveal? Way later. What inspires you? Well, 72. 72, yeah. What's your best dino play? My intro. The first clip in my intro. Who are the people who helped you throughout this journey? You, the guy who commented. Bold Alec BS, 77 Brawl Stars, and a bunch of other people. Which country do you live in? India, good job, thank you. How do you feel after reaching 3K? Very good. You blowing up your I wish I can do it too. Good luck. Which country do you live in? India. What's the best clip you got? The one in my intro. Where do you start it? VN. Favorite Mortis and Dyna YouTuber? Azim64 and Fresh. Why is your name in caps lock? I'm sorry. How did your channel blow up? I don't know, man. I just kept posting videos every day, so maybe YouTube algorithm started noticing. Only OGs know his voice. Are you pro? No, not pro. Who inspired you? 72. How did you manage to get so good? Not that good. Where are you from? India. But practice, by the way. India. OP voice, thanks. When did you start YouTube? August 15, 2020. Okay. Do you like bread? Yeah, I like bread. Do you like your subscribers? I love my subscribers. All 3,400 of you. Thank you so much, man. But, guys, my most popular video, it got 100k views and 4,500 likes. Why would you like instead of subscribe? Now I have 4,500 likes and 3,400 subscribers. Come on, man. If you liked, you could have subscribed. You like me? Yeah, sure. How did you become pro Dyna trick shot? Practice. Me. Can you do Dyna tips? I made 2 videos about it. Go check them out. Where are you from? India. Will you help other YouTubers who are struggling? I don't know, man. I'll try because there's a lot of people asking me for shoutouts. I'll try and see if I can give you people. Can you tell me who inspired to start a channel? 72 Brandon. Start a channel, Brandon. What's your favorite Dyna skin? Robo Mike. Gets DK in like 4 seconds. Good job, thanks. Whoa. Good luck. Thanks. What you gonna do when you get 10k subs? I don't know, man. Big special, very big special. What do you play on? iPad. Congrats, bro. Thanks, bro. Favorite skin, Robomike, YouTubers, Brandon 72, RCM64. Inspiration 72. Good, how you so good with Dana? Practice. Any tips to get so many subs? Keep posting regularly and good content. Favorite Brawl Stars content creator. Content creator Lex. How you pro at Brawl Stars? Not that pro. Uh, okay, when did you start making YouTube videos? August 15. How you so good with Dana? Not that good, guys. What's your favorite mortar skin? The one with the purple hair that's standing up? Okay, who's your favorite brawler? Dynamite. Do you know any other games? If yes, what are do you play? Clash Royale, nice voice. XD. GG, thanks. Dyna Mortis, Dyna. Most popular YouTubers whom you played, Joshi. In friendly game. Who inspired you to do YouTube videos? Videos, really? Brandon, do you prefer Mortis or Dynamic and which do you find easier? I prefer Dynamic, I find Dynamic also easier. Congrats on 3K, thanks. India, because I was bored. Love from India, nice, thanks. Is he really quick? Hell no, man. Q&A, are you from India? Yes. And since when you started playing? July 29, 2019. It Brawl as a part-time job. It's not a job, so no. Favorite brawler? Dynamite, no question. Hat. What's your passion before playing Brawl Stars? Basketball. Ketchup. Why is this instant and not that good? Face reveal. Nah, later, man. 50,000, 100,000 that time. What type of pizza is best? Margarita. Are you Indian? Yep. Yesterday 2K, today 3K. Haha. When you started Brawl Stars? July 29, 2019. Why you started YouTube? Bored. What's a Dyna? I don't hate you. What's up? Your favorite Dyna skin? Robomike. Favorite brother beside Dyna Mortis. Got Dyna 1 month. Coach Mike or PSG Mike? Coach Mike. You Indian? Yep. Why you start YouTube? Bored. When you get channel banned? I had to. I'm too lazy to open my laptop. I will. Remember me? No, I'm sorry. Just tell me who you are this time. Favorite trick shot map. Field goal. OP voice lines. Consider asking 60% idol. Hell yeah, man. You're god. How much watch time? Can't, sorry. Okay, fine. 3K. Can you shout me out? Shout out to Stompamine. How are you feeling now after the speed of you seeing of growing in YouTube? Nice English, bro. Yeah, I'm feeling really good, man. Never thought I'd get this far this fast. Did you ever thought about you will get 1K subs one day? That was the eventual plan, 1000 subscribers, but I didn't know I'd get here that fast. So the starting was really slow, but I just kind of blew up. Like Jazz, sure. What's your favorite Brawl Stars YouTuber or any YouTuber in general? Mr. Beast. You edited 3 and 2, nice man. VN's really good, yeah. Congrats on 3K, thanks. Favorite brawler? Dyna. Game mode. Brawl Ball. YouTuber. I assuming you mean Brawl Stars, so 72. You from India? Yay! Wait, you Indian? Yay! Yes. Also, when your expectations are too low, that's when it goes 100 times. Yeah, totally true, man. Who inspired you to make YouTube videos like this? 72. Congrats on 3K, thanks. Congrats. Thanks. My question for the video is, which is the hardest brawler to push on rank 25 for you? By the way, I'm not fast forwarding any of this. This is just how I'm talking. And 25 for you, Dynamite. Me after seeing the subs. Lol. Wow, 12 likes. OP road to 4K. Hopefully, man. India. Yes, I like football. Hopefully, no. 1 month. Different region. Nice. What is your highest and lowest trophy? BB highest, Crow lowest. My Crow is power 9, but only 140 trophies because I hadn't pushed him yet. Can you teach all of us double jump, triple jump, so on? I have made a video about it. Go check it out, man. Did you expect to grow this fast? Hell no, man. Who inspired you to become a Dyna trick shotter? Dyna trick shotter, let's see. Skizzy, George MDC, Jihad. Yeah, that's it, I guess. How often you play Dyna? At least 2 hours a day, man. Which country? India. They're from India. Nice, thanks. Why did you name yourself Azium72? That's a really nice question. So, I had 2 names up my mind because my old name was really trash. Only OGs would know what it is. I had 2 names up my mind. Oh, 9 minutes, okay. It was Ice Dyna or RGM72. I don't know, I just thought of it. I just watched RGM64's videos and 72's video and I was like, you know what? Combine. So, Ice Dyna didn't work out because there was another channel called Ice Dyna, so I just went to RGM72. How much time practice with Dynamite in Brawl Ball? A month. If you mean per day, then around 1 or half an hour, 1 hour. Congrats, bro. Thanks, man. Why RCM72? Well, I don't know, man. I just really like the name, and they both are one of my favorite YouTubers. Why are you so OP? I don't know. I'm not that OP. Indian. Yep. Who inspired you to be God Dinah? Skizzy. What flick is your favorite? Natum. Favorite sport? Basketball. India. Dynamite. I don't know what iFat is. iPad. Oh, I think you mean iPad. The one I have. I don't know what it is. iPad Air, I guess. How answer in which are you best? Diana or Morteas? I'm best in Diana. Yeah, Diana is definitely my favorite. And then nice voice, bro. Why you wanted to keep your name as Azim 64 plus 7? I mean, yeah, whatever. Well, I don't know. I just really liked both names. Wanna collab with me? I don't know, man. I'll check out your channel after this. Oh, so cute. Thanks. Please make long videos. It's boring. Always Mortis and Dinah. Oh yeah, I'd like to see you do half of what I do, idiot. Just kidding. Don't get mad. I'm sorry. This video is gonna be long. I'm really sorry, Ozan Dorokan. Don't take that personally. Just this video is gonna be pretty long, man. Already 10 minutes in, and we're barely halfway there. Congrats, bro. Thanks. Where you from? India. OP voice, bro. Thanks. I hope Racer Spiley blows up too. Point of view, you're Indian. Yeah, I am. What editor do you use? VN. Congrats on 3K. Thank you, Dynapro, Skizzy, content creator. Lexin OJ. Can you please give me shout out? Shout out to Sun Brawl Stars. Like a channel, thanks. Your videos are awesome. Wait, this doesn't mean you can keep going asking on for shout outs, okay? I don't know why I just felt like giving shout outs, so I gave. And if you had asked in this video while I was recording, RIP. What do you think made this channel at first and what happened next? Well, at first, I was just posting trick shots. I'm gonna be honest, I was just as good as this. I don't know why I didn't get views. A blow up is just luck, man. YouTube suddenly started recommending my videos. But I'm still very thankful to all you people. Voice is way deeper now. XD. Why are you alive? I don't know. Want me dead? Yeah, sure. I don't know why I'm alive. Why am I alive? Where are you from? India. What do you think for RCM72? He's really great, man. Such a god. Who's your inspiration? You, the Suasian. You're really good. Actually, no, 72. No offense. Where are you from? I'm Indian. Yep. Oh, nice voice. Thanks. Congrats on 3K. What's your best channel trick shot? Thank you. Intro. When rank 35 Tandem Mortis? BB actually, soon. Robo Mike. Pretty good. You're from India, I know. Okay, nice. Road to 1 million. Hopefully, man. I use the same editor. Are there safes in Heist? Hell no, man. They're just fake boxes. Who's the best dynamic player I know? Natotal. Why is OP? Not that OP. Have to make hacker video. Shout out to Razer Gaming. My next video is gonna be about him. He has these crazy hacks where a Sandy is a crow, a Sprout is a crow. I know it doesn't make sense. Wait for the video. Favorite brawler? Dynamite. When you started YouTube, what was your subscriber in? 500 subscribers. Wow, really less compared to now. I know. VN, nice. Where are you from? India. I need a Tara, but I don't have. Sad. Question. What is my country? India. What's your player tag? 9QQY9G0GL. 9QQY9G0GL. 0GL. You can friend me. I'll accept your friend request, I swear. Is 72 in your name like 72 Brawl Stars? Yes, that's why. Speak these words for me with your voice. I love Turtle. I love Turtle. When you think you'll hit 50K? 5 months. Favorite Brawl Stars YouTuber? Lex. Face reveal. 100K. Do a giveaway later, man. You really gained a lot of views and subs. I know, right? Am I weak? No. Can you get more subs than 72? I hope not. I definitely hope not. I always wish he has 10 times more subscribers than me because he's so underrated and so good. Sup? You want Discord? Yup. Will you join the club Mortic? Sorry, no. NA or EU? Neither. Can I get a shout out? Shout out to Potato. Favorite brawler? Dynamite. When did you realize I'm a return subscriber? I didn't, but thank you so much. Yeah, sure. I love you, 77. You like algebra? Yes. What device do you use? iPad. Rickrolled in lifetime? Yes. Who inspired you? 72. Are you happy with your life? Yeah, sure. OP, thanks. OP, thanks. Do you like Greece? Yeah, I love Greece. Shout out to Mr. Shadow. Nice, bro. Let's go 1 million. Let's go. Bro, you blew up so fast. 3K subs, GG, thanks. Uh, what country you originate from? I originate from India. What's your favorite dance skin? Robo Mike. Do you like Tick? No, I hate him. Sorry. Uh, where are you from? I'm from India. How many hours of BS 2? Cool voice, thanks. Why you grown so? Oh wait, I think I'm near the end. I'm near the end. Let's go. Oh my god, 236 questions, man. How old are you? Uh, cool voice, thanks. Bro, why you grown so fast? I don't know. I'm not one of the best diners. I don't know. Why you so OP? Not that OP. 10th like, thank you so much. Best trick, intro. Which country you belong? India. Nice voice, thanks. You got Dyna Jump. Thank you so much, man. Love you so much. I love you too. Second, nice. I'm not gay, I'm straight. OP, thanks. First, yay, thanks. 15 minutes, please watch the whole video. If this gets 6,000 views, I get monetized. So let's go. If 6,000 people watch the entire video. Hope you liked it. My next video is God Dyna 9. So sneak peek. Anyway, subscribe, like. Hope you enjoyed the video and share it if you want people.